The Lazy Ned. Ned was an extremely lazy person. His wife took care of everything, such as cooking and laundry. A few years later, he became even lazier. He did not even want to move his fingers for a cup of water. One day, the wife needed to go back to her parents' home and would stay a few days. She made a large roti prata, which could last for several days before it went bad. The wife knew how lazy he was, so she tied the roti with a string and hung it on his neck. The wife was happy to stay with her parents, but not a while she started to worry about Ned and decided to go back. She rushed home and saw Ned was sleeping. Then she started cleaning the room and went to the kitchen to make dinner. When dinner was ready, he tried to wake him up. It turned out Ned had no breath anymore. The roti that's in front of Ned was eaten, but nothing else was touched. His wife suddenly realized that Ned was too lazy to turn his head and just ate the part within reach of his mouth. Children have a drive to be independent and do things on their own. When children practice skills such as feeding, dressing independently, parents should help them be responsible and confident, so that children can independently explore their world while staying safe.